Hey everybody, on this video we're going to use the KW1 Lishi here, and we're going to pick and decode a Kwikset deadbolt. So we'll get and then we'll actually cut a key here. I'm in my home shop here, got my Blitz machine here, so we'll actually just go ahead and cut a key after we decode it. So this lock was actually drilled off of a door. Normally I would pick these all day long, but this was a domestic violence call and the police needed in, and I didn't want to sit in front of the door picking it. I actually don't care to go to those calls too much, so I just drilled it for speed. All right, so we're going to go ahead and insert the tool in. And remember, with all like Lishi picks, you know, if it sticks, you pick it. If it bounces, you leave it alone. So I'm on number 5 here, so we'll just start here. Got a little bit of a click on 5. Okay, 4 is bouncing. Okay, 3 stiff. Got tiny click on 3. Okay, 2 is stiff. Click on 2. Okay, 1 is stiff. Click on 1. We actually have a false set here. Probably can't see because it's freehand here, but it actually did rotate some. So I'm gonna have a spool pin in here, and every once in a while, Kwikset, you know, we'll have a spool. So now we're gonna just look for a stiff one. It's gonna give us counter rotation. Looks like it's on 4, so I'm letting off tension. Okay, click on 4. Click on 5. Head back to 1 here. Okay, 1 is stiff again. And back into a false set. Okay, 2 springy. 3 springy. Okay, 4 stiff again here, so counter rotation. Click on 4 and we are open. So there's definitely a spool pin in here. And now we need to go ahead and decode it. And so it looks like we've got 1. Sorry, I need to look around the camera here. I can't really see it in the camera. So 1, 4, 1, 2. And what's that last one here? 3. So, sorry, I'm not even writing this down. So 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let me try to cut that real quick here before I forget. And lock the lock back here. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. So let me zoom out a little bit here. And 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to turn the machine on. One, 4, 1, 2, 3. All right. And so that's what our cut key looks like. And grab our cylinder here and we'll test it out real quick. And it works perfectly. So it's a Kwikset KW1 Lishi, picking and decoding a Kwikset deadbolt. And you know, we got this is an old HPC machine, by the way. That thing's really old. It still works like a champ though, still calibrated and everything. So anyway, pretty much all I got for this video here. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. I do answer everything. I've even got an email address in all the descriptions, so you can always drop me an email as well. And I guess until next time, well, I'll talk to everybody later.